Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will talk about non-indexing paginated pages in Webflow. So why do I care about this? So whenever you have a website in Webflow and you are using the CMS and you have a ton of different items in the CMS, Webflow automatically creates paginated versions of your website. That means that, for example, on the first page, the first 20 results are shown. On the second page, the next 20 results are shown, and so on and so on. Oftentimes, what we are doing is we are using FinSuite's tools to help us have a unlimited scroll. So, for example, if I'm here on the website, I have a show more button and I'm not being led to another page or something. But in the background, Webflow is still doing it. And now if you are using a tool, for example, like SEMrush or Ahrefs, probably they are throwing out an error that could be about conflicting hreflang tags if you are using different languages, but it could also be about duplicate title tags, for example. So if I click in here on this issue and then I go into my add examples here, you can see that SEMrush here is basically saying, hey Max, why are you using the same title on different pages? And normally that makes sense because on different pages we are not supposed to use the same title, meaning that this add examples library should just be on one page because otherwise the pages will fight with each other. Okay. Normally, this isn't a problem because we are referencing, for example, from the second page to the first one, but there is a little issue in Webflow that they are not doing it, and this is why it always pops up in SEMrush and the other tools. How can we actually solve it is pretty simple. So what we want to do here is now we are using the robots text. The robots text is basically a document that gives the search engines some guidance about which pages they should look at and which pages they shouldn't look at. And we can use a function that's called disallow, and we are using this function in combination with this regular expression that lets us exclude everything with page inside here. So let's take a look at the URL here. Everything with underscore page, okay? Underscore page equal. So every URL now that has this underscore page equal, and most of the time it's only the paginated pages, will now be kicked out of the Google index. So basically we are saying, hey, Google crawler, don't look at these pages. And that really fixes the issue, because now the Google crawler doesn't look at it. And if I'm going to my SEO dashboard and I will take a look at my domain here, and let's take a look at the errors, no errors are shown anymore. So we really fixed the issue with the different paginated websites, and none of the issues are shown in SEMrush or any other tool. So remember, use the robots tag, disallow page for not showing the pagination. I will also put the code in the comments below. And if you have any questions around this, please let me know. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.